for the composition of two SHMs having the same frequency and perpendicular to each other. We now get the equation, that is resultant motion is given by the equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab into cos alpha is equal to sine square alpha. That is, we can see here the value, the resultant motion is depend on the value of alpha. The resultant motion is depend on the value of alpha here. Number of cases are arises here. For the first that we can see here, when alpha is equal to 0. When alpha is equal to 0, we can write here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab cos 0 is 1 is equal to sine square alpha, sine 0 is 0. And therefore, if we solve this equation, we can write here x upon a minus y upon b in bracket square is equal to 0. Or we can write here y upon b is equal to x upon a here. And therefore, we can write here y is equal to b upon a into x. And this is the equation of straight line that we can see here. It has the slope b upon a. Now, in the next case, when alpha is equal to pi, when alpha is equal to pi, that is cos pi is equal to minus 1. And therefore, here we get x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus cos pi is minus 1. And that's why that minus becomes plus here. And therefore, we write here 2xy upon ab is equal to 0. Sin pi is 0. And therefore, we get here x upon a plus y upon b bracket square is equal to 0. And that's why we write here y upon b is equal to minus x upon a. And that's why we get finally y is equal to minus b upon a into x. Again, this is the equation of straight line here that we have shown, but its slope is minus b upon a here. That is when alpha is equal to 0 and when alpha is equal to 5, that we can see these two equations. Now then, in the next case, that is when alpha is equal to pi by 2. When alpha is equal to pi by 2, what we get here? See that x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab cos pi by 2 is equal to sine square alpha, that is sine square pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. And that's why we can get here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. And this term becomes 0 because cos pi by 2 is 0. That's why this whole term will become 0 and that is equal to 1 here. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And this is the equation of ellipse. This is the equation of ellipse. And therefore, the particle perform the simple harmonic motion That in this case, what we get? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 here. Now here, the particle perform the simple harmonic motion along the ellipse. That ellipse we can represent here having the semi-major axis A and semi-minor axis B here. The particle perform the SHM along this ellipse that we can designate it as EFGH here. EFGH. Now when alpha is equal to pi by 2 and A is equal to B, when alpha is equal to pi by 2, we get here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. But a is equal to b here, and that's why we can write here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to, sorry, y square upon a square is equal to 1. And that we write here x square plus y square is equal to a square. And now this is the equation of circle then. This is the equation of circle. And therefore the particle perform the simple harmonic motion along this circle that we can designate here. Here the particle perform the simple harmonic motion. Again, here we can designate these points as E, F, G, H here. When alpha is equal to pi by 2, the motion is like this. When alpha is equal to pi by 4, when alpha is equal to pi by 4, that is, we know cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2 and sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2. That is, you know, cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2 and sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2. And we can solve this, our equation then. That is, we write here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab into cos pi by 4 is equal to sin square pi by 4. That is equal to x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab into 1 upon root 2. Into 1 upon root 2. We can put the value of cos pi by 4. And that is equal to sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2 and its square is 1 upon 2 here. Now here one of the root 2 is get cancelled here. And that's why we can write here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus root 2 into xy upon ab is equal to 1. We can multiply this equation through by 2. And that's why we can write here 2x square upon a square plus 2y square upon b square minus 2 root 2 xy upon ab is equal to 1 here. And now this is the equation of ellipse. It is the oblique ellipse that we can represent here. This is oblique ellipse here. Again, if we designate it as, or we can designate here as KLMN, that is oblique ellipse here. The motion will be like this. Next case, when alpha is equal to when alpha is equal to 3 pi by 4. When alpha is equal to 3 pi by 4, in that case, cos alpha is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 and sin alpha is equal to again 1 upon root 2 here. And therefore, in this case, our equation should become x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus 2xy upon ab cos 3 pi by 4, that is minus 1 upon root 2. That minus minus becomes plus here, and we write here 1 upon root 2. And that is equal to 1 by 2 here. We can square this equation. Again here we get 2x square upon a square plus 2y square upon b square plus 2 root 2 xy upon ab is equal to 1. Again here this is the equation of ellipse. The particle moves simple harmonically along this ellipse. Again we can designate it as suppose K, L, M, N here. Particle perform the simple harmonic motion along this ellipse. This is again the oblique ellipse that we have completed here all the cases. That is in the first case when alpha is equal to 0, we get the straight line. Its slope is b upon 2. When alpha is equal to pi, again we get the straight line, but its slope is minus b upon a. When alpha is equal to pi by 2, when alpha is equal to pi by 2, we get the ellipse like this that we have shown neatly earlier. Alpha is equal to, but when a is equal to b, in that case we get the circle. Alpha is equal to pi by 2 and a is equal to b, we get the circle. And when alpha is equal to pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4, we get the ellipse here. Thank you.